DataGuard Systems is an application service provider based here in New York City. Our primary product right now is the Seller Manager point-of-sale product, online accounting, retail point-of-sale, CRM product for cell phone retailers. Boston's the primary data center. It's made up of about 50 or so Dell PowerEdge servers, and alongside those 50 or so servers is a virtual infrastructure with a Dell EMC SAN and 5 large PowerEdge servers. It all started with a phone call to our Dell rep. We filled up our server cage at the data center, and we need more power to meet our needs. Dell Services suggested a really smart virtual solution, which was able to make use of the existing space we had already there and prevent a large build-out. They set up the virtual infrastructure for us from the beginning, figuring out how many servers we needed, what kind of SAN we needed, and what kind of configuration we needed. Dell Services took all that in mind, and they brought people over to go over the work that's going to be performed and what we needed and everything. Dell Services did everything from rack it, configure it, and then stress test it for us too, just to make sure it's going to really meet our needs. The immediate savings for us was about $20,000 a month. We're looking at a 50% decrease in power expenses immediately right there. There are also some ancillary costs too by having fewer servers, fewer server racks, fewer KVMs, fewer switches, no fiber to be run around the building. And that was probably an immediate one-time savings around $50,000 to $60,000. We're using the VMware infrastructure for all our virtualization. The virtual infrastructure has enabled us to really simplify our IT and to set up new servers in a matter of minutes versus hours. The performance has been stellar and it's been incredibly reliable. Christmas time retail software, the load goes up 50 to 80%. We needed more web service to process it, fine. So copied the virtual machine a number of times and all of a sudden we had a dozen new web servers. Support the Christmas load. Don't need it anymore? Okay, fine, shut them down. No power difference, no additional manpower. Data centers in Boston, I'm in New York. I'm clicking a button and we have new servers. It's that easy. Our relationship with Dell Services is of tremendous value. Dell Pro Support will help us streamline our support management internally here. We don't have a large support team with spare parts or a part closet sitting there waiting for stuff to fail. It wouldn't be cost effective for us. So they really give us a low-cost solution in terms of just keeping the system up. We have a 4-hour response window with Dell support. In the Boston area, we've seen people show up as early as half an hour. It's an incredible response time. It's like an emergency response unit really just there to make sure the service stay up when our business isn't disrupted. Dell's services and support has really allowed us to scale at an incredible pace. They've been a big partner for us in terms of enabling our growth and our success, and I couldn't ask for more.